Hello, I'm here to guide you through how to access help resources in Google Meet. And the first thing you gotta do is open up the app. Then you're gonna click on the three lines on the top left corner over here. So you have three options: privacy, meet, settings, and help and feedback. So you select help and feedback. When you do this, you've accessed the help resources. Now we have the popular help resources over here: how to download the new Google Meet app, how to learn about the new Google Meet app, how to join a meeting, how to troubleshoot issues when you join or create a meeting, how to allow notifications from Meet and Chat. Also, you can search for the help you want by typing in exactly what you're looking for, or you can send feedback also by clicking on the last option over here. So you can send your feedback, answer a few questions, or share your feedback. So that is it. So we don't want to do that right now with this card. This is how to access help resources. Let's just see one of them. How to download the new Google Meet app. You see it gives us a detailed explanation on how to download the new Google Meet app. Google Duo and Google Meet have been combined to a new Meet app for video calling and meetings. So you learn about it, how to do it. Then you can even click on download now for Android. How to do it for computer is also given there. How to do it for iPhone and iPad is also explained in details. So if you want to access another resources, you just pick the one you want. So that is how to access help resources in Google Meet. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips like this. Till next time, bye bye.